Starting a small factory can be a lucrative venture, offering opportunities for entrepreneurs seeking to establish a business. With manageable investment and straightforward operations, numerous profitable small factory business ideas exist, each presenting unique prospects for success. Let's delve into some of these promising ventures and explore the key considerations for setting them up. First, consider a custom printing business. This is a versatile option that caters to a wide range of needs. You can start with a basic screen printing setup, suitable for producing designs on t-shirts, tote bags, and other fabric items. Alternatively, a digital printer provides the capability for more complex designs, including photographs and intricate artwork. The operation is relatively straightforward once the initial setup is complete, and the market for custom t-shirts, mugs, promotional materials, and personalized items is perpetually present, driven by individual consumers, businesses, and organizations. Next, a candle-making business is another viable option, appealing to those with a creative flair and an interest in crafting. The initial investment is typically manageable, requiring raw materials like wax soy, beeswax, or paraffin, wicks, containers, jars, tins, or decorative molds, and a variety of fragrances and essential oils. Production itself is fairly simple, involving melting the wax, adding color and fragrance, and pouring it into the containers. The demand for candles, especially scented ones, remains steady, fueled by their use in aromatherapy, home decor, and as gifts. Marketing can be done effectively online, targeting specific niches such as relaxation, meditation, or home fragrance, and through collaborations with complementary businesses. Another compelling idea is a soap-making factory. Handmade soaps are increasingly popular due to their natural ingredients, unique scents, and perceived benefits for skin health and environmental sustainability. The process typically involves a chemical reaction saponification between oils or fats and an alkali lye, along with the addition of fragrances, essential oils, and optional ingredients like herbs, exfoliants, or colors. You can sell your soaps at local markets, online stores such as Etsy or Shopify, or wholesale to boutiques and health food stores. Emphasize the natural ingredients, unique scents, and any specialized benefits of your soaps in your marketing. Consider also a small-scale food processing factory. This presents opportunities for entrepreneurs with a passion for cooking and a flair for flavors. This could involve making jams, jellies, sauces, pickles, or other preserved foods. The equipment required is relatively simple, often including cooking pots, filling equipment, and sealing machines, depending on the scale of production. The market for artisanal food products, made with high-quality ingredients and unique flavor profiles, is consistently growing. Ensure you strictly comply with all relevant food safety regulations, and obtain the necessary licenses and permits required in your location. A business producing handmade crafts offers a creative avenue for individuals skilled in various artistic mediums. This could include items like jewelry, pottery, woodworking, or textile crafts. The setup depends heavily on the specific craft, but the operation is generally manageable, often requiring a dedicated workspace and specialized tools. You can sell your products online through platforms such as Etsy, at craft fairs and artisan markets, or through consignment shops. Focus on the unique qualities, craftsmanship, and artistic expression inherent in your handmade products. Finally, a packaging business is perpetually in demand, catering to the needs of other small businesses across various industries. Many small businesses require packaging materials for their products, ranging from simple cardboard boxes to custom printed labels and specialized packaging solutions. The setup involves acquiring the necessary machinery, depending on the scale and type of packaging you intend to produce. This could include equipment for cutting, printing, folding, and sealing. You can offer custom packaging solutions to meet diverse needs, helping other businesses enhance their brand identity and protect their products. Remember that success in any of these businesses requires careful planning, thorough market research to identify demand and competition, a well-defined business plan, and effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. This includes creating a strong online presence, utilizing social media, and building relationships with potential customers and partners.